Hello students, all of you welcome to Future Doctor NEET Academy. Today we are going to see some 7 problems in amine chapter. Okay, so this is an organic part. I already told you. So you must thorough in all the naming reactions. Okay, then reagent role. Okay, this and all. If you know means you can easily solve the sums. Understood? Now let us go to the first one. Identify the compound C in the following reaction. Okay, first one is C6H5N2Cl. Cuprocyanate gives A, then which on hydrolysis to get B, then which reacts with ammonia in presence of heat to get C. That's a question. Okay, but they're asking to find only C. C only they're asking. Understood? Okay, suppose here you know that first one, you know, benzene diacetyl chloride. You know that this is a formula for benzene diacetyl chloride. I write it here. You know, C6H5. Okay, N2Cl, benzene diacetyl chloride, reacts with cuprocyanate. Okay, you know that this is one name reaction, Sandway reaction. You know that. What's the product? What's the product obtained? You know that here cyanide is obtained. No, so N2 will be removed, cuprous chloride will be removed. Okay, the product will be what? Cuprocyanate, C6H5, you know, Cn. Understood? Cuprocyanate is obtained. Then which on hydrolysis, any cyanide compounds which on hydrolysis, you know, we are going to get acids, carboxylic acid. Okay, which on hydrolysis, you know that. Okay, so if you want to study thoroughly means I use 2 times water molecule. Understood? 2 times water molecule. But simply remember, any cyanide compounds, if you add water, if you add water molecule, it is going to become, or it becomes what? Carboxylic acid. Okay. So here, you know that what? This will be removed, no? Okay. The product will be C6H5 COOH. Understood? C6H5 COOH. Understood? Okay. Now, so this is okay. Again, then which reacts with again, you know, ammonia followed by heating. Okay, which reacts with ammonia followed by heating. You know that. So you just add as it is. C6H5 COONH4. Understood? Already one hydrogen, no? Already one hydrogen. Now it becomes what? C6H5 COONH4. Understood? Then followed by heating. This also there, no? Okay. So we have to heat. When you heat means we get the product, you know. I told you, you know, when you heat means what happened? So this will be removed. So H2O will be removed. Understood? So minus H2O. Understood? Now the product is, what's the product? C6H5 CH5 CONH2. That's the product. Okay, understood? Okay. So the compound A is what? You know, cuprous, you know, when you add cuprous cyanide, we get what? The phenyl cyanide is obtained. This is called compound A. Then hydrolysis to get, you know, acids. This is called compound B. Understood? Then which reacts with ammonia to form ammonium benzoate. Again followed by heating, we get what? You know, benzamide. Okay, this is compound C. C is nothing but what? Benzene plus amide. You know that amide. So it's called what? Benzamide. So among this, which is the correct one? A is the correct one. Are you following? Understood? So you must thorough all these reactions. You can use to answer you can use to find out the product. Now, see the next one. Here, you know, nitrobenzene reacts with iron in presence of HCl. This is a reducing agent. Okay. So iron and HCl means here it converts NO2 to what? NH2. You must remember. Okay. This is nothing but when you add sodium nitrate in presence of HCl, we are getting this reaction is called diacetylation. Okay. Again reacts with water molecule to get common C. They are asking to find only identify C in the following reaction. Only C only we have to find out. Okay. So I put all the reactions. Suppose here, you know, this is called nitrobenzene. No. Okay. So I write it here. Nitrobenzene. What? It's called nitrobenzene. If you add any reagents, you know, not any reagent, only tin and HCl, iron and HCl. Okay. You know, palladium in presence of H2. These are the reagents which converts what? NO2 becomes NH2. Just remember. Okay. Each and every reagents, we have some role will be there. If you know the role, we can use to, okay, find out the common. Okay, it's a reducing agent. It converts NO2 becomes what? NH2. Okay, so A is what? The common A is what? Aniline. Okay, again, which reacts with sodium nitrate and HCl. Sodium nitrate and HCl, NaNO2 in presence of HCl, almost, 0 degrees Celsius. We get the common. This also having one role. It converts, NH2 becomes N2Cl. Understood? So it converts, I read it here. No, this reagent converts NH2 becomes what? N2Cl. Understood? N2Cl. Okay. This name is called what? Benzene diazonic chloride. This name is called benzene diazonic chloride. Okay. That is common B. Again, hydrolysis. Okay. If you add water molecule in presence of acid medium, okay, we get the common what? We get phenol. Phenol is substituted. You know that N2 will be removed, HCl will be removed. Remember, we have only OH group. That OH group on benzene ring, we get this common is called what? Phenol. Understood? OH. Okay. See that. Common A is what? Common A is what? Aniline. Common A is called aniline. Common B is called benzene diazonium chloride. Common B is called what? Benzene diazonium chloride. Common C is called what? Phenol. Okay, this is called phenol. Understood? But they're asking only C, identify C in the following reaction. So, answer is what? Phenol is the correct answer. So, B is option. The following? Simple one. It's a familiar reaction. All the reaction you must know. Then we can be able to find out. Okay. Now see the next one. Again, identify C in the following reaction. Same reactions I given. So here, the first A to B, just now we found out. Same thing. Okay. So I'll write it once again. Here, nitrobenzene. Same. Nitrobenzene. NO2. Okay. Nitrobenzene, which reacts with, iron in presence of HCl. The strong reducing agent. It converts. NO2 becomes what? NH2. The following. The reagent's role you must know. Then only it will be, you can easy to find out. NO2 becomes NH2. Understood? Okay. Now this is common A. Again, diasterization. HNO2 means you must know. It's called diasterization. So diasterization means, what? This is the reagent, no? Sodium nitrate. Okay. In presence of HCl. Or simply they put what? HNO2. Both are same. Okay. We can use HNO2 or sodium nitrate. So that converts what? NH2 becomes what? N2Cl. Understood? It will be what? N2Cl. Understood? Up to this, we studied in second sums. Okay. Again, one small correction here. They put what? Phenol. Okay. Phenol. So C6H5OH. Yeah. This is nothing but, benzene diazonic chloride plus phenol means, coupling reactions. Okay. So coupling reactions, the product is what? We are adding, OH group is the no. So OH group means here it's called para-hydroxy-azobenzene. Para-hydroxy-azobenzene. So it's a coupling reaction, that we studied. Okay. So answer is what? B is the correct one. Suppose here aniline is used means what? If aniline is used, para-aminoazobenzene. But, phenol is used. That's why it's called what? Para-hydroxy-azobenzene. Understood? It's a dye test, Okay. All the reagents role, FeSCl or tin HCl, okay, that converts NO2 becomes what? NH2. Na is called diasterization process. NH2 becomes what? N2Cl. Okay. This is called coupling reaction, dye test. Okay. Understood? Now see the next one. Identify the product in the following reaction. Simple. Very simply, I asked. Okay. So you know that CH5NH2 means it's a primary aromatic amines. Okay. Then chloroform, alkyl KOH. This is nothing but what? Carbolamine reaction. This is called carbolamine reaction. In carbolamine, what? We are getting isocyanide. Okay. So C6H5NC. NC. This is the product. CH5NC. Just remember like that. Okay. So I'll write it product here. C6H5NC. Understood? Others are, K is there, Cl is there. We get what? KCl. Other product, you don't worry about that. They're asking only the main product. Okay. So phenyl isocyanate. CN means cyanide. NC means it's just opposite. Isocyanate. Phenyl. This is called what? Phenyl isocyanate. This is called, phenyl group. Okay. Iso. Okay. This is called cyanide. Okay. Now, among this, A is the correct one. Are you following? Understood? Suppose here methyl group is used means methyl isocyanate. Are you following? Suppose here ethyl group I used means ethyl isocyanate. Are you following? Okay. If benzyl group I used means benzyl isocyanate. I used phenyl group, then only phenyl isocyanate. That's a product. Understood? Next one. The chemical test to differentiate ethanamine and aniline. Very good question. Ethanamine is also a primary amine. Understood? Aniline is also a primary amine. But this is aliphatic primary amine. This is aromatic primary amine. Aliphatic primary amine and aromatic primary amines are differentiated only by the important test is what? Only nitrous acid test. Okay. So answer is B is the correct one. Are you following? It forms, unstable diacetyl salt. It forms stable diacetyl salt. Okay. So in this way we are going to differentiate. Okay. So if you use carbolamine means both can answer. Are you following? If you use carbolamine test, this also can answer, this also can answer. But they are asking to differentiate. Which test to differentiate the two compounds means only nitrous acid test. Okay. It differentiate aliphatic primary amine and aromatic primary amine. So nitrous acid test, that's the correct answer. Understood? Next one. The amine produced by Hoffman degradation. Very important name reaction. Hoffman degradation. Degradation means what? One carbon is less. D means what? D means removal. Okay. Dehydration, decarboxylation, dehydrogenation. So D means what? Removal. So here one carbon is less. Okay. And compared to reactant, one carbon is less. One carbon is less. This only just remember. Okay. Produced by the Hoffman degradation of benzamate. Benzamate. What's the formula for benzamate? C6H5. Okay. CONH2. That's a formula for what? Benzamide. Okay. What is the Hoffman reagent? Hoffman reagent means what? This is Hoffman reagent. Br2 in presence of alcoholic KOH or NaOH. Anyone we can put. Okay. If you put means degradation, I told you, no. Degradation nothing but here you just remember this will be removed. One carbon. Okay. The CO group will be removed. This will be removed means what? This group will be removed means remaining what's the product? This will be removed. Okay. So the product is what? C6H5, only NH2s. You just combine. So the product is what? Product is, this will be removed. So product is C6H5 NH2. That's a product. Okay, okay. One carbon will be reduced. Okay, when compared to the reactant side and product side, one carbon will be reduced. So this will be gone. Okay. The product is only, what's the name? What's the name? This is called what? Aniline. Understood? Okay. So among this, B is the correct one. You following? Okay. The amine, they're asking amine from amide. Okay. Next one. The amide which gives propanamine by Hoffman bromamide reaction is the amide which gives, when compared to this reaction, just remember this reaction nothing but amide to amide to amine. Just remember this only. Remember amide to amide to amine. That's called Hoffman bromamide reaction. Okay. What's the reagent? I told you. What's the reagent? Br2 in presence of NaOH. This is a reagent. You following? Okay. Here, suppose for example, here if you have 4 carbon means what? Here what? 3 carbon. That's a concept. That's a important concept in Hoffman bromamide reaction. Here 4 carbon means amine having 4 carbon means amine having what? 3 carbon. Okay. Just keep in mind. Then only we can able to solve this. See, the amide which gives propanamine. Okay, the amide, which amide is going to give propanamine? Propanamine means what's the formula? Propanamine formula means what's the formula? CH3 CH2, 3 carbon, no. CH2, NH2. Are you following? Okay, it's called propanamine. Understood? It's called propanamine. Okay. It is obtained from what? Which amide they are asking? That's the question. It is obtained from which amide? Okay. That amide should have what? How many carbon? That having 3 carbon, no. That contains 3 carbon, no. That contains 3 carbon. So it should contain what? 4 carbon. So 4 carbon amide is what? You have to search only 4 carbon amide. See here 4 carbon amide, here 3 carbon, here 5 carbon, here 2 carbon. What's the 4th carbon? 4 carbon amide is what? Butanamide. That's the answer. Understood? Butanamide means simple. This is a very simple problem. Okay. So understand the concept. Butanamide means it's a formula, no? CH3, CH2, CH. Okay. CH2, CO, NH2. Understood? If you put bromine presence of NaOH. Okay. That's all. Understood? Are you following? Okay. This is called, butanamide. Okay. So butanamide only gives propanamine. Okay. Understood? So answer is what? B is the correct option. Understood? This is all the name reaction if you know means you need to answer this. Okay. I hope you understood everything. Okay. Thank you, students. See you in the next class.